Hi all, and welcome to my channel Fred Makes Things and our monthly kitnip unboxing video for you. This is our 6-month getting kitnip, so that's kind of cool. This is also a fun bonus Saturday unboxing for you. Fun bonus Saturday video for you in general. Because, as I've been saying for a while, I was away and I have a stack of boxes I need to unbox. This is box number 3. That is Junior. So, we're going to do this video in 2 parts. Part 1 is who is kitnip box. Part 2 is what is actually in the box. Before we get started, I do want to say hello everybody. Hello to the new subscribers, the OGs, everyone in between. Hello to the people who are curious about kitnip and haven't watched anything else on the channel. And to anyone who has watched for a while and is not yet subscribed. You are also very much appreciated. Your comments are also very much welcome in the comment section. So let's get started with part 1. Who is kitnip? What is this box? So kitnip is a cat toy and to treat a subscription company. I've been getting them now for 6 months. They have, I think they have an online store. I forgot to take a look. But they do have 3 different levels of cat toy boxes. The information is on the screen for you. Level 1 is for like a single cat household, maybe like a double cat household. Number 2 is for a multi-cat household. That is what I have with the 6 cats. And number 3 is their like premium box, which is all the goodies from the previous boxes and also an electronic toy as well. Every box comes with a selection of toys depending on the size of box you choose. You get a different amount of toys, and they also have treats. Now the treats are optional, so you can choose to get them or not get them based on your personal preference. Because I have 6 cats, I get the treats to see who likes what, who enjoys what, all of that jazz. You can tell it's hot, hey? Junior just like came up and splatted out. So I think I have a referral link in the description box for you as well if this is a box that you are interested in. But let us get to the unboxing and then we will I'm sure we will see Mr. Junior again. Right, baby cat? So, part 2, the unboxing. So I opened it for you on camera, but I have not looked inside. Every month it is a different theme. This month's theme is Meowless in Wonderland. And then they say a portion of our proceeds is donated to animal welfare causes. Thank you for supporting kitties in need with each box. On the back is a list of what comes in the box, and what's cool about kitnip is it's usually a pretty good variety of toys. There's usually always a wand, there's a couple of kickers, things like that. So let's see what we have. Oh, the treats are per sticks. These are always a big hit with the cats. Then we have we're all meowed here hat, like a little Mad Hatter hat. A oh gosh, I can't say that word. Meowchievous, I guess, because if it's mischievous, it would be Meowchievous Cheshire cat kicker. The cats like these flat ones. Baby cat, now is not the time for you, my love. Soon. Then we have Meowless in Wonderland. That kind of creeps me out. I'm not gonna lie. It's a good shape, but it creeps me out. Then we've got Majestic Nibbles with Safety Bell. They're rattles. Junior is interested. And then we've got the Wise Crinkle Toy Caterpillar, also a rattle. And then finally, their version of a wand this month is a rattle with like a hand loop. So, and it springs too. That is really cool. Oh, baby cat. He barely fits in the box. He's gone so big. Makes it easy to move him though. All right, so to quickly recap, we've got this kind of Perkit Watch interactive dangler. Dangler is a good word for it because it doesn't have a wand. It's got this loop instead. The Wise Caterpillar, Crinkle Toy with rattle. The Majestic Nibbles Safety Bell rattles. The Meowless in Wonderland kicker. The We're All Meowed Here hat. So like the Mad Hatter hat. And then the Mischievous Cheshire Cat kicker. And then purr sticks that, like I said, go over very well. So that is this month's box. That is this month's theme. I will probably go around this evening when the house is, well, we'll see. I will show you everybody chomping down on the treats. The house is too hot to really encourage my cats to go nuts and play a lot, just because I don't want them to overheat or get overwhelmed. So I don't know if I'm going to have any videos of them playing with any of these toys, but I will go around giving them treats. So stay tuned for that. So yeah, I'm going to do the sign out now because after they eat, I'll just go right into the exit screen, outro screen, whatever you want to call it. So do you like this theme? Do you have a favorite toy or favorite look that you think the cats would really enjoy? Let me know down in the comment section. How do you feel about Kitnip Box in general? We're coming up, well, we are on 6 months. We will be doing a Kitnip review video for you soon because I'm so backlogged with all of my normal video content for July. We're not going to see that until sometime in August, but that video will be expected soon. So yeah, what do we have coming up? Monday is going to be the unboxing of a new cat subscription box. Wednesday is hopefully going to be our Sewers Club project review for July. Friday is undecided, but I'm thinking it might be a Mary Maxim unboxing and review video, or it could be another cat toy box. I'm not certain yet. Then hopefully after these next couple of weeks are over, we can by the time that we really get settled into August, I'll be back on my regular filming and upload schedule, and everything should go back to normal. So think about subscribing if you want to see more cat content. There's going to be a bit of them in the future, in the very near future. If there's 3 boxes I need to, or 2 more boxes I need to unbox. Not today though, the humidity in the house is spiking and I'm going to go hide in the air conditioning. So let me know what you think about it all down in the comment section below. Like the video if you've reached it to the end. It's on the shorter side, as these unboxings usually are. And yeah, with all of that being said, I'm going to say thank you so much for watching, and I will talk with you again soon.